the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try to find gravity. I think I'll try to find gravity. Kiss me goodbye and defying gravity, and you won't bring me down. I'm sure accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know. So long I've been afraid of losing love, I guess I lost. Will it just long become sad, much too high a cost?